23, I'd already walked away twice. 2 failed marriages to boys who wore a man's disguise. They never saw the fire, never knew what a woman needs. Left me wondering if love was just a string of broken dreams. Then you came along, casual as the morning light, with that sexy look in your blue, sometimes hazel eyes. You made me laugh so hard I thought I'd lose control. Made me pee a little from the joy you poured into my soul. You brought adventure no woman could ever turn away. Wild and thrilling rides you planned like it was every day. Constant surprises lighting up my world so bright, turning this guarded heart in the middle of the night. I never believed love like this was possible for me, but you showed me different. You made me finally see. At 23, I swore off boys forevermore. You proved I needed a real man to open every door. Those eyes of yours, shifting hazel to bedroom blue glow, made me wanna drag you straight to bed, nice and slow. Wake up every morning with you still in my sight, your face the first thing greeting the dawn soft light. You did it all so easy, like breathing in the air. Laughter, thrills and passion, showing me you care. No grand declarations, just living in the spark. You turn my weary soul into a work of art. Even my girls love the tease of your sweet lips. I told you one night, whispering in the dark. Boys never understood these needs, this hungry heart. But you knew exactly how to turn me on, with every glance, every touch, till the doubts were gone. Love blossomed wild in ways I never thought could be. You made the impossible feel like destiny. So here's to you, my real man, who changed everything. Laughter, adventure, surprises on love's golden wing. At 23, I found what I'd been searching for. A love I never believed possible, I never wanted to leave. You under those Saigon skies, tell me it's not over for this 23-year-old. I don't want to return to dull, boring life without you in my side and in my bed. I miss you, Mr. Bond.